And we say, I want to have this. This is a decision. Yeah? So this is more a feeling, I want this, I don't think about, I took my credit card and buy it. Then there are more rational and logical decisions. These are decisions, I think everybody of us has already made a pro and contra list of something when you had to decide what is for going left, what speaks for going right, and you made this list. So this is our rational and logical way of making decisions, to look what are the benefits of different options, what are the disadvantages of different options, compare them. So this is what you do. And there's a third thing what we can do, we can combine them. And this is also something what we do, naturally, by nature, everybody. We come to a problem, we have to make a decision, we try to make it intuitive, and then we say, yeah, but it doesn't feel good. And then we say, okay, let's back it up with some more rational and logical deciding. Yeah? And this is also something what we do. These three categories, I would say, this is how humans make decisions.